Hello, this is Gare Moore, and today I want to show you how you can get your custom notification sounds working all the time. You're going to want to go to your settings, notifications, and then announce notifications. And then for this demo, I have deselected Gmail and iMessage so I can demo both. You want to make sure the screen is off. That's not the iPhone. That's my computer. I just sent. And iMessage. And as for phone calls, the announce notifications feature does not affect it. It will still play custom sounds regardless of the announce notification setting. I'm just going to enable power saving mode again. Here's that's how you get your custom notification sounds back. Just disable announce notifications for the apps you want custom sounds for. I hope that helped you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and support me by buying from my stores. All of those links are in the description. Goodbye.